I don't know about that, but I'm just saying that the Christians, true Christians, should understand what they're living for, understand what's right and acceptable, and stand up for it for themselves and for others, and be the light of the world. And we haven't done well at that. We've just been humming kumbaya behind stained glass, and the whole the beauty of the American system has fallen to hell in a handbasket. And so, uh, if if you or me in that situation, would you just begin to behave yourself according to an allodial title and ignore the infringements, and then make them pressure you to the point that there's a court case where you say, prove to me why I should have to pay this? Would you do that, or would you file something?
Now, the
Okay.
two witnesses thing is called a notice. In common
Okay.
law, that was brought over to notice and opportunity. And that is the first step in due process. You have to give them notice. Hey, I have a problem with what you're doing. And you, as my servant, have a duty when you're lawfully commanded to obey. So show
Okay.
me where you have the authority. And if you can't show me the authority, then you're admitting by acquiescence.
Yeah.
So is it a right or is it a privilege?
Yeah. Yeah.
So when it says life, liberty, and property, I'm kind of confused.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dave, this is the opportunity for you to use this specific incident and train your whole flock and hopefully magnify that out to other Christians of how to implement the tool that Ron's put together to do constitutional enforcement. I'm not an attorney, you're not, but if you go through Ron's course, you're going to be smarter and more powerful than they are.
It's very powerful because when you understand that law is a rule of right, in which you understand what rights are in the sole legitimate end of government, you start realizing, what else do I not understand? Thomas Jefferson said the law is so simple, it should be able to be understood while plowing your field. The law was
Beautiful.
never meant to be complicated. But when you get lawyers involved, and you get courts involved, and you get other parties involved, they complicate law. Law
Yeah.
is not complicated. It's simple. Law is a rule of right. Look at how simple
Yeah.
that is. 6 words.
Yeah.
And that is law. That is not a
Yeah.
suggestion. That's actually black letter law.